Network Entertainment.
Spit Manila.
Welcome to another episode of Tawa Let's with Spit. Ako po si Papu.
Ako po si Kara.
I'm Missy.
Ako si Bibay.
Yes, welcome. Ito po ang ating season ender. At dahil doon, nagsuot ako ng hoodie para tribute sa ating fellow podcast na walang edit-edit with Lilad Lim.
Wala
na laging
talaga.
hoodie. Walang edit-edit yung... Yun yung title
Kailan?
ng podcast niya. Walang edit-edit. Yeah, and it's...
Edit ba yung atin?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Meron. Pero yun, pakinggan niyo yan. Walang edit-edit podcast ni Leland Lim and 3 other co-hosts. But anyway, sinabi ko yun dahil yung podcast niya ay rising through the ranks lately.
Congratulations.
Doing well. Kaya dahil doon naisip ko tayo ay mag-rank. Yun ang ating activity for today.
Yun.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do it. We
So,
will rank.
Ang mechanics ay magra-rank tayo. Pero bago ang lahat, magkumustahan muna tayo. Siyempre, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
Kailan?
It's been a while.
2 weeks since or 1 week
Yung
ba?
huling kita natin.
Oo, yung huling kita.
huling
Tagal.
record.
Tayong 4 din yun. No?
Oo.
Nag-ano tayo?
Kasama ba ako doon?
Oh, nag-would
Kasama
you
ka.
rather tayo
So would you rather?
last week.
Oh, that's right. Oh my gosh, it's been so long.
Tagal
It's
na.
so long, grabe.
Wait, I think I was wearing the same shirt.
Ay, oo
well,
nga.
you're
Oo nga.
bound to repeat it kasi matagal na eh.
Yes, and I believe in sustainability. Sustainable fashion.
Exactly.
Hello, can
Yeah.
you hear me?
Oh, so kumusta naman ang inyong linggo? Ako, okay naman. Ako, I would say this is my third activity.
Ako 31st.
Oh, grabe.
I would say my second. My second thing today. Yeah.
Ako, I think this is 7th.
The 7th.
Yeah,
Sa
grabe.
Yes, grabe.
Para yung mga position sa ranking, no?
If you were-
31st,
oh.
diba? First,
If you were to
7th.
rank
Oo.
in order of preference,
yes.
what
Ah.
things you did
Exactly.
today?
Okay.
Ano yung gusto
Ako,
niyo?
number 1, waking up talaga.
Yun ang ano.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank
At
you,
may
Lord,
meron
indeed.
pa akong waking up today.
Ganda nung
Diba?
mindset na yun.
Mm.
Because with that, I think sleeping is my one.
Okay.
Ako, my sleeping is my 31st, but I want to push it back to my second.
Yes.
Kasi baka waking up is my first.
The first
Ikaw,
one.
Bobby Bay.
Ano bang
In order of preference.
preference?
Yung una mong ginawa, or yung ginawa mo today na preferred mo, number 1.
Magbasa sa Kindle ko.
Yan. Yan. So, iba-iba kami
Parang
ng
ganun.
ranking ng mga bagay-bagay. Okay, so ganito yung mechanics ng ating podcast session for this week.
Okay?
Each person magbibigay ng category, ng parang umbrella category. And then, bawat isa sa atin magbibigay ng 1 item under that category. And then, papag-usapan natin yung ranking. Depende kung anong ibigay nung category, kung most important, least important. Depende sa kanya.
Okay.
Kung ano.
Correct.
Pero gagamitin natin yung chant na ginagawa natin sa ating improv warm-up na 4 things. 4 things, 4 things, 4 things, 4 things. Yun po ang ating chant. 4 lang kasi 4 lang kami
Correct.
ngayon.
Dapat kasi 5 yun.
Oh, 4.
Okay.
Sila yung fifth player.
Oo.
Yes.
Sumagot sila sa comments.
Exactly.
Oo.
Diba?
You must. So that we get to know you too.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, sige, simulan natin with easy topics. So,
Question.
sige.
Diba? Kunyari, ikaw magbibigay ng
Topic.
Tapos sabi mo, peanut butter, 4 things.
4 things.
Siya muna. And then
Ah.
me, and then Bibay, and then you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
So whoever gave the topic will go last.
Okay.
Ah, okay.
Sige. Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay. Sige.
And
For,
the item we give is top of mind
yeah.
that comes to mind based on that topic.
Okay.
Okay. Tapos saka natin i-rank.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay, sounds good. Sige. For the purposes of possible brand partnerships,
Oh.
Oh.
magbigay ng pinaka-importanteng bagay na bibilin sa grocery. Pa-rephrase natin yan. The most essential grocery item for you. Four things.
Four things.
Pocari Sweat.
1,
Butter.
2,
Cooking oil.
3,
sugar.
4
things.
Four things.
Okay.
Ulit yun.
Pocari
Pocari
Sweat, butter,
Cooking oil.
cooking oil, sugar.
Sugar.
Wow.
Okay.
Interesting.
Parang
Interesting.
kung yun lang yung laman ng pantry mo, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Pero, kompleto ka. Na,
Kompleto.
carbohydrates and fat. Walang protein pala.
I mean, this is just the first thing that came to
sodium.
mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct,
Sige.
So, rank natin yan. Sige, who goes first?
Pag ganun na lang, pabalik.
Okay.
So you
So,
first.
I would put Pocari Sweat at number 3. I would put butter number 1.
Wow.
Cooking oil number 4. Sugar number 2.
Oh.
So, ulit natin.
Nice,
Sorry, in
nice,
order.
nice,
in
nice,
order.
nice,
In
nice.
order.
So,
Butter, sugar, Pocari Sweat, cooking
Cooking
oil.
oil.
okay, how about you, Cara? Sorry, pag ganun
Pag
pala.
ganun, pag ganun.
Okay, so ako na. Number 1, cooking oil.
Okay.
Number 2, butter. Number 3, sugar. Number 4, Pocari Sweat.
Okay, ako, shucks. I would say, hello. I would say, Pocari Sweat first, butter second, sugar third, and cooking oil fourth.
Ooh. Ako, Pocari Sweat first, cooking oil, butter, sugar.
Okay.
Game.
So
Walang
bakit,
kwenta ng
bakit
mga...
nagsusulat si Macy?
Because I'm the one in charge of the math.
Yeah.
Me talaga.
Miss Mathematician.
Miss Hematician.
Actually, mahilig naman ako sa math.
Oh, okay.
Si math lang hindi mahilig sa akin.
Ah,
There's a difference.
So, one-way.
There's a difference.
One-way thing. Okay, pag-usapan natin yan. Bakit nyo pinili yung pinili nyo sa first? And maybe pwede nyo na rin kwento bakit nyo pinili sa last yung last. So I can go first. Parang immediately nagpunta ako sa survival mode. Na parang ang assumption in my mind ay yan na lang yung pwede mong i-consume. Kasi kung yun lang yung binili mo sa parang bigla ako napunta kasi yung episode natin last week, 'di ba, puro mga dire and desperate
Yeah.
situation. So parang doon ako pumunta na butter na lang yung pwede ko. Parang if meron man ako diyan kakainin ko na for the rest of my life. Butter na lang siguro.
Tito,
Dahil somewhat kompleto naman siya sa kompleto nga ba siya?
Lagay mo sa apple, gano'n.
Kung parang,
Pwede naman.
Parang may fat ka, meron kang acid, meron kang, lahat, may salt. Basta yun. In
Kung
my
salted
mind.
yung
Kung
butter
salted.
mo.
Correct.
May ganun pala.
Oo.
Ako, Pocari yung first ko because parang yun talaga yung top of mind na bibili ko. Even, wala ko na po. Di ko alam kung healthy nga to. Pero tinatry ko talaga yung mga maliit na lang for
Binibili mo
safety.
talaga siya?
Binibili ko talaga
Okay.
siya. The electrolytes, the mga ganyang kind of drink. Because kung doon na rin sa category of survival, at least meron akong a means to hydrate myself tas may electrolytes pa. Last ko si sugar kasi mali nga kasi in my head meron pa akong asukal sa bahay.
Gets naman.
Yun
Oo
talaga yung
naman.
pumasok.
Ako, the first thing I really buy in the grocery is fruit. But I didn't say that for some reason. The first thing that came to mind was butter. But I still chose a Pocari Sweat. Kasi feeling ko mas practical siya.
Okay.
Pero feeling ko kasi mabibili siya sa 7-Eleven.
Oo nga.
Tama.
You know? But then, pumunta din ako dun sa life or death situation na, you know. So, yeah. Pocari Sweat was my number 1.
Ako number 1, cooking oil. Kasi lagi yun nasa shopping list. Sa grocery list namin
As a
lagi.
mother.
Yes. Pero nung sinabi ko yun, meron pa pala dapat akong sinabi.
Which is?
Detergent powder.
Ay.
Oo. Na ang match sponsored, ang paborito namin talaga ay Kala. Yan ang paborito namin. So, pero nasabi ko na yung cooking oil, so hindi ko na siya mabawi. So, pero cooking oil talaga ang dun sa apat, ang number 1 ko. Kasi lagi yun nasa grocery list namin. Ang last ko ay Pocari Sweat. Tama ba? Oo. So, although yun ang choice of electrolyte drink ko, more than Gatorade. Pero hindi ko siya, sobrang bihira siya sa grocery list ko. So, ano siya talaga, itong pag-rank ko according sa how often they show up on my grocery list.
Nice.
Okay, well,
So, Pocari Sweat. Baka naman.
anong butter ang ano natin?
Kala, baka naman.
Oo.
Kala butter?
Kala
detergent.
Butter.
Butter, but butter.
Shocks. Hindi ako sobrang particular.
Oh, well, let's let the
listener.
brands
Oh,
compete.
yeah.
Oo. But padala niya kami iba't ibang klaseng butter.
Oo.
Ira-rank namin.
Baka pwede namin i-rank.
Titikman namin isang
artisanal.
buo.
Ganun, di ba?
Artisanal
Oo,
butter.
kahit dairy cream yan. Star margarine.
Hindi naman butter yun eh.
Oh, yeah, I can't mark
Kaya
it.
natin yan.
Okay, by the way, just so you know, our winner as a team
Okay.
is butter. Number 2 is Pocari Sweat.
Let's go.
Wow. Okay.
And more popular is oil. Cooking oil
Cooking
over
oil.
sugar.
Nice.
Alright. See,
Bias
math.
hair.
Nice.
Okay, sino ang next na magbibigay ng 4 things? Si Kara?
Ako.
Okay, okay.
4 things. 4 things.
Wala
4
pa,
things.
wala pa,
Ay,
wala pa.
sorry.
Washing. Rest it.
Wash,
Ay.
ano?
I don't know. This is my category. Filipino ulam.
Ulam.
Four things. 4 things. 4 things. 4 things. 4 things.
Chicken adobo.
1.
Tapa.
2. Sinigang. 3.
Caldereta.
4 things. 4 things. 4 things. 4 things. 4 things. So, ano yung pinakamasarap dun sa mga yan?
So, to recap,
Adobo.
adobo, tapa,
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
kaldereta.
Caldereta. Shucks.
Ano na lang?
Gutom na ako.
Ako rin. Yung pala yun siya. Ihain mo sa family reunion. Do you want that kind of specific?
Ako nga, parang masaya na ako sa papaglabanin lang.
sige, paglabanin lang natin.
Or
Paglabanin.
preference lang talaga.
Sige.
Okay, Papu first.
Oo.
Di ba pag gano'n?
Oo, tama. Pabaliktad. Sige,
Or Cara first.
unahin ko yung
Last si Cara.
kahit ano naman.
Sige.
Anyway.
Go, Papu.
Galing namin guys, sobrang organized.
Bago.
Improvisation.
Unahin ko ang adobo sa masarap. Shucks. Hulihin ko yung kaldereta.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Tapa number 3. Sinigang number 2. So again, adobo, sinigang, tapa, kaldereta.
Okay.
Bibay.
Number 1, adobo. Number 2, tapa. Number 3, sinigang. Number 4, kaldereta.
Okay. Missy would be adobo, sinigang. What's tapa?
Tapa.
Beef tapa. As in sa tapsilog. Yeah.
Rodix, ganun.
Caldereta. Red
It's a stew.
beef sauce.
Beef stew.
Like that, right?
Patatas, green peas minsan.
Tapos ang lambot ng beef.
Yes.
Pero may vinegar itong isa.
Yung
Si
adobo.
tapa.
Oo,
Tsaka si
si
tapa.
tapa.
Si tapa meron. Optional.
Shucks.
Optional.
How hard? Okay, I would go for tapa and caldereta.
Ako, my number 1 is caldereta.
Oh, of course.
Adobo, sinigang, tapa.
Okay.
Okay.
Game.
Sige.
Five.
Defend your
Five.
choice.
Caldereta because sa bahay namin, masarap magluto ng caldereta yung tatay ko. Na may keso pa at maanghang.
Ay,
So, ang lapit nung sabaw. So, caldereta. Every time uuwi ako, caldereta ang request ko. And also, dahil mahilig ako sa pwede siyang maging matamis, maanghang, at malapot.
Yes.
Caldereta.
yes.
Huli ko si tapa because although siya yung pinaka-convenient orderin pag nasa labas ka minsan, parang, okay,
Gets.
tapa na. Parang, mas gusto ko lang yung may sabaw.
Gets.
Okay. Ako, parang nirank ko siya bukod sa sarap dun sa parang easiest to fuck up. Pinakamahirap ma-fuck up for me yung adobo kapag niluto mo. And then hardest. Parang andali magkamali sa kaldereta. Or siguro dahil parang ang dami kong nakain na kaldereta pero iba-iba siya every time. Parang minsan makakain kang
Consistency in your
Right.
life.
kaldereta na mas pink orange, yung iba parang deep wine
Brown.
red
Yeah.
yung
Yes,
color.
yes,
Sobrang
yes.
magkalayo ng lasa. Pero kaldereta pa rin yung tawag nila doon. Parang ang laki ng variation as opposed to adobo na more or less yun na siya na suka and alat, be it salt or toyo. Parang iisa yung profile niya or parang meron tayong more or less pare-parehong konsepto ng adobo in our minds with different, may onting variations lang na iba matamis, iba maputi, iba mas dark, iba malangis, iba masabaw. Pero nandun siya lagi sa parang sour and salty, garlicky flavor. And then si kaldereta, iba-iba. Tapos parang depende rin sa okasyon, iba yung hinahain sa yung kaldereta. Pag parang fiesta na malawakang or maramihang luto, yung minsan yung parang lasang banana ketchup na siya. Pero minsan naman kapag yung nagluto, merong time gumawa, yun parang very much, parang lutong-luto yung kamatis. At favorite ko sa kaldereta yung kapag yung parang sinipsip na nung patatas yung mantika.
Gets.
Tapos parang may
Kulay,
something
na siya.
may something doon sa flavor niya na parang yun yung gusto ko. Pero so yun, nandun ako sa order of hardest to fuck up, I would say.
Love it, love it.
Yun. Kaya yun ang aking extremes.
Ako, ang number 1 ko ay adobo. Kasi, siguro yun dahil sa shelf life niya.
Me too.
Oo. Kasi, dahil sa suka, dahil stinu siya sa suka, mas matagal siyang maglalast. Ano yung last ko?
Your last was,
Kaldereta ba?
yeah.
Ang shelf life ng kaldereta ay hindi mahaba for me. Mas madali siyang mapanis. Kaya ako siya piniling last. Not to say na hindi ko gusto yung kaldereta. Gusto ko siya.
Correct, correct.
Yun.
Okay. My choice for adobo as number 1 is because it's adobo.
Gets.
Just can't explain.
Get
Many
it.
reasons. One, it's parang ano yun, when it means something to you because there's a special meaning behind, a special memory behind it.
Sentimental value.
Yeah, it has sentimental value because the same lola who told me about the
Last week.
kumot, the one last week, yun yung binaon niya nung pumunta kaming Baguio for the first time.
Oh.
Tapos parang inulam namin yun for 3 days. Hindi siya nagugutom. Well, of course, it is a fridge, but it really stays. The
Yeah.
shelf life is
It gets better even.
Yes,
Yes.
it's the first thing I learned to cook when I studied abroad.
Nice.
Kasi madali nga siyang,
Yeah.
hindi siya ma-F up, diba? Tapos, sinigang. I mean, it's the I think I like that kind of flavor. Which
Sour?
Is, yeah, the
Yeah.
sourness of it all. And I think caldereta is the last because it's not, I haven't experienced your dad's cooking.
Yeah.
I think that's why. So there.
Okay, noted, I'll bring.
Yes.
Thank
But we had one time na catered na sobrang lambot, right?
Yes.
Na talagang,
Oo.
what
Pero
is
we also had
this?
one na sobrang tigas.
Oo.
Wait, yung malambot, yun yung show natin sa Aliw with SB19.
Oo, ang
O
sarap.
baka kasi may SB19 kaya talagang sinarapan nila. We just need to get them back with us so that I can get them more. So for me, hashtag all about me. Yun po. Do you want to know our winners?
Yes.
But wait.
Si Kara pa,
Sarah
Kara.
Defend.
Ay, hindi, tapos na pala.
You're done, you're done. Okay. So our winner is far first.
Yeah.
Oh?
Adobo.
Syempre.
Hey.
Yeah, I love it.
Correct.
A very close fourth is caldereta.
Okay.
Ay.
Kasi nga hindi pa natin natitikman yun.
Correct,
Oo
correct,
nga
correct,
eh.
correct, correct, correct.
Okay, after, syempre, sinigang is number 2, tapa is number 3.
Sarap. So,
Meron akong adobo story.
Sige, let's hear it.
I think I was in college, we went to Canada to see relatives.
Okay.
Tapos, ang ginagawa namin, mag-rent kami ng car, tapos magda-drive kami ng malayo. Sometimes with my titas, maraming may mga tita-tita nun. Tapos, magpipiknik kami. Marami, di ba, yung mga stops, yung mga pit stop, yung mga
Stopover?
service, parang mga gas
Gasoline station.
stations na may parang picnic area, ganyan-ganyan. Grabe, ginugutom ako. dahil nga puro Pinoy, ang gagawin, may titang magluluto ng adobo. Tapos, may titang maghahalabos ng hipon. Tapos, may magsasaing. Tapos, pagka mag-cross country kami, magsa-stop over kami sa whatever gas station. Tapos, may parang picnic, may mga picnic tables doon. Meron pa akong parang lola tita na may dala siyang tablecloth.
Wow.
Wow.
The whole
Tapos
shebang.
kakain kami, nakakanin, ganyan. Minsan may salad na whatever, arugula, ganyan. Shucks, ang gutom ako. Tapos, yung mga ibang nagpipiknik doon, may dalang sandwich.
Yeah. Baduy. Baduy. White bread, baduy.
Although I must say, nung nagtutour yung Tanghalang Ateneo, nung college pa kami nung friend ko si Ara, egg sandwich. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
But also-
I love egg sandwich.
Egg in adobo.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Yung
very good.
hard-boiled.
Hard-boiled.
Sorry, but back to the
Yun lang. Parang inisip ko parang,
ibang
tapos
Pinoy.
pag-uusapan na, syempre magtatagalog kami. Or
Oo.
mag-iilonggo. Tingnan nyo yung katabi natin. Ang boring-boring ng pagkain nila.
PBJs.
Ano kaya yung
sandwich.
judgment nung katabi nyo dun sa pagkain ninyo?
Yun rin.
Diba?
Siyempre may judgment rin
Siyempre
sila.
may judgment.
Bakit may
Inggit
tablecloth?
yun.
Diba?
Kung ako yun,
Patatas
may
sa
inggit ako
adobo.
sa inyo.
What is your take?
Patatas.
Patatas
Gusto
sa
ko rin.
adobo.
Okay,
Gusto ko rin.
siya.
Ah,
Patatas in
Hindi
adobo.
ako kasi pinakain growing up.
Wow!
Hindi ako.
Unloading!
Hindi ako
pala to.
first. Hindi ako first in food. That's
Okay.
all I'm saying. I'm not as well versed as the
Okay.
wonderful human beings here.
Ako,
Asado.
hindi ko masyado trip yung
Okay.
patatas sa adobo dahil sinisip-sip niya yung sabaw. Yan.
How is asado different from caldereta?
Sobrang layo nun.
Asado.
Sorry.
No, this is a good opportunity to learn.
Yes.
Or
Yes,
this
thank
is
you.
opportunity to
Miss
learn.
Positivity.
We are learning.
Ano strength mo ba? Ano yung strength mo? No, serious question. I'm so sorry. Please don't be
Okay.
offended.
Caldereta
My
is,
ignorance.
pareho silang stew.
Yeah.
Okay.
Meat stew. Pero ang caldereta ay tomato-based. Ang
Okay.
asado ay soy-based na manamis-namis. Usually, fini-flavor nila siya with star anise. Parang mas ganun. Mas Chinese siya. Caldereta mas Spanish ba
Spanish?
siya? Malapit siya sa Kalyos
Oo,
diba?
correct.
Although yung asado, ang technical definition niya ay, anong tawag doon? Braised ba yung tawag doon?
Braised.
Oo.
yeah,
So,
braised.
which is a stew, tapos ibe-bake.
Oh.
So, may mga, grabe, nagugutom ako.
Kaya nga.
Pero may sauces kasi sila.
Yes.
Yung,
Okay.
although asado is also a it's a Spanish word,
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
So, ano siya, braised. So, kunwari, meron kang pork, sustew mo muna siya, tapos ilalagay mo siya sa pugon. Sa
They're
oven.
both pork or one is pork, one is beef? Or depends. You can have pork asado and beef asado.
I think you can either.
Okay. I'm gonna go on a food learning escapade one of these days.
You know what? Yes.
You know what? Yes, I'm
Yeah,
gonna do that.
yeah. Let's
Okay.
travel the world visa only.
With more than one.
Grabe,
Oh my
grabe.
God, gutom na
nating
ako.
callback from last week.
Grabe,
okay.
ang tagal na nun.
Sobrang
And you still
iconic.
remember, and you
Sobrang
still
tagal na.
remember.
Oo.
Okay, I have my next topic.
Okay.
I have my topic for the next round. Ready?
So, paano ikot
Okay.
na to? Ganyan to.
Again.
So, ako una?
Ah.
Pag ganyan, okay.
Mine is zombie apocalypse tool for survival.
Oh.
Zombie apocalypse tool for survival. Ready?
Hey.
Four
things.
Four things, four things, four things, four things.
Muriatic acid.
What?
Bible.
2.
Yung ganito, balisong.
Balisong 3.
3.
Flame torch.
Flame torch 4.
4
Things.
4 things. 4 things. 4 things. 4 things.
Wala akong baon sa sarili kong
So, ano?
topic. Again.
Muriatic acid.
Muriatic acid.
Bible.
Bible.
Balisong.
Malasong.
Flamethrower.
Okay.
So, Cara first.
Natense ako dun Paano yung flamethrower? Baka hindi ko mapagana yun. So, parang muriatic.
Okay.
Muriatic. Okay.
Sige.
Doon ako. Second si Balisong. Kasi ibabato ko siya
Tama.
Si flamethrower tsaka si Bible.
Okay. Pwede mo rin naman ibato yung Bible. Kung hindi ka Katoliko or Christian.
Pwede.
Or baka it could be a weapon.
That's what I mean. But like, or shield.
Confuse them with, what is this?
Or you can open it and they can like, shh.
That's true. That's true.
Sorry, go ahead. This is yours.
This is
It's
it.
about you.
It's muriatic,
Muriatic
1,
acid,
2,
balisong,
balisong, 3,
flamethrower,
thrower, 4, Bible.
Okay. Papu.
Sige, ako, number 1 ko yung Bible. Number 2 ko yung balisong. 3, flamethrower. 4 ko yung muriatic acid.
For my muriatic acid.
Bakit yun yung mga extremes?
Okay.
Explain na ba?
Later
Iba
ba?
pala.
You first.
Okay. Me, number 1, flamethrower. Number 2, muriatic acid. 3, balisong. 4, Bible.
Ako, flamethrower. And then, balisong. I wait. Masusunog ba yung muriatic acid?
Hindi siya flammable.
Hindi.
Hindi
Ang
siya
galing nun. Para ano siya?
Corrosive.
Pero hindi flammable.
Pero pag hinalo siya with bleach,
Oh, yes, sabog.
medyo maliliyab siya.
Lalabas yung...
Okay. In which case, I will choose the Bible. Kasi nagpapaliyab din siya. Joke lang. So, you know what I mean? I will go to hell and burn there. And muriatic acid, number 4.
Hi, I'm Joelle. I talk for a living and I'm an overthinker. Life keeps going and the questions keep coming. But I hope you find comfort in the fact na hindi ka mag-isa. Ang dami nating overthinker, no? Sa ups and downs, twists and turns ng buhay, paano kung ituloy lang natin ang paghanap ng kasagutan? Ready? Tara! This is Joelle's podcast. Paano kung? Powered by the Pod Network.
Okay, game. Explain yourselves.
Okay. Sino nga na mag-explain?
Ako muna, dahil...
kasi ikaw yun.
Sige,
nagbigay.
Sige.
Tama, ngayon lang namin nagagawa yung sistema.
Ay, si Cara.
Next round, di rin namin
Cara
alam.
should go first.
Okay. Muriatic 1 ko, no? Parang dahil versus flamethrower, parang feeling ko, mas madali ko siyang mabubuksan. Tapos makakonfuse na sila kung ano yun. O baka madulas pa sila. And then last ko si Bible as a last confused attack. You know what I mean? Yun.
Okay.
Okay. Inuna ko yung Bible. Lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko na if push comes to shove at mapunta ako sa isang apocalyptic situation, like be it end of the world or zombie apocalypse or whatever, hindi na ako magta-try mag-survive masyado. Parang, okay na to. Ano na to? It's been a good run. So, magbabasa na lang ng Bible to offset my not reading the Bible and being religious for the past X years of my life. So, parang, ano ko na yun? Last-ditch effort na para, okay, pag kinaya ng zombie, siguro naman papapasukin ako ni Lord sa heaven. Yeah.
That's a good.
Oo. Last ko yung muriatic acid dahil lang natatakot ako sa handling ng chemicals.
Gets.
Parang, lalo na kung high concentration siya na HCl. Parang, baka sa akin lang din.
Baka mag-backfire.
Makati kasi, ang kati-kati,
Na-experience mo na?
Yung low concentration lang
Oo.
sa lab.
Napuan ka.
Ako, pero naisip ko yung yung Bible. Yung Bible yung last ko. Parang feeling ko, zombie apocalypse, parang yung chances of survival sobrang baba. So parang, nilagay ko siya sa last, pero hindi dahil hindi ko siya pipiliin. Pwede kasing mapili pa rin siya, parang, wala na, dito na tayo eh. Parang, magdadasal na lang tayo, ganon. Number 1 ko, flamethrower, kasi parang feeling ko sa lahat ng choices yun ang pinaka practical. Based sa hindi naman sa alam na sa zombie lore. Parang yun ang pinaka ma-ward sila away. Saka kasi yung muriatic acid at saka yung balisong, kailangan malapit ka sa kanila eh. So,
Melee weapon siya, kumbaga.
Oo.
Yes.
Sobrang, ayoko namang malagay sa sitwasyon na ganun ako kalapit in proximity. Yon.
Ako naman, the balisong won't be used for the zombie. It can be used for survival.
Okay. As a tool.
Hindi siya defense.
Oo. Si flamethrower, syempre, astig eh.
Diba?
Oo
May
naman.
something about
Yun
Ghost
lang
Yes.
eh.
talaga eh.
Ano siya eh.
Diba?
So
If I can
badass.
use it one
Bagay.
time in my life,
That's
it's gonna be during a zombie apocalypse.
Tama.
Diba? Ang cool niya. Pogi niya.
And with a
Tapos,
bang.
I need to survive. So, may balisong. Tapos, may dadating. Pag nakita niya may Bible ako, parang, God-fearing tong tao. Which, to be fair,
Zombie.
I did read the Bible growing up a lot.
Yeah.
Ang
Okay.
na lang, i-memorize ko siya. As in, my dream growing up was to rewrite it. Like,
Ganda.
word per word.
Oh.
It's a little crazy, huh?
I love it.
Like, maybe I was a monk in my past life. But anyway, so there's that. But the muriatic acid, I was scared. I was, parang tinakot ako growing up.
Sa
Pagdating
muriatic acid.
Alam ko yan.
Ano yun?
Yan yung
Mula sa puso.
yung yung naghahagis ng
Oo, yung mga ganyan.
yung
Nasa news yun dati.
Oo, yung in public places.
Oo. Sasabuyan ka.
Meron daw, sasabuyan.
Oh my gosh. That's
Ng
so cool.
sa
Why
mukha.
So yun, parang, at saka yung parang masasaktan ka.
Acid
So
attack.
parang it's
Yung
super
handling.
off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Topic. Off hands off item. Ayun. Okay, do you want to know our winner?
So ang memory ko din, kaya sinabing mula sa puso ay yung si Princess Ponsalan. Parang hinagis niya.
Tapos yung yung
Tapos
nasunod
nagbago
yung half
mukha
ng
niya. Pero I
oo.
think in reference siya dun nga sa
Yes,
nauso
oo.
na dati
Kaya.
na acid attacks.
Grabe yun.
Na nagulat ako nung nakapag-handle ako ng hydrochloric acid sa lab. Hindi naman pala siya ganun ka-violent. Unless nga sobrang taas ng
Galing ng
concentration.
TV, no?
Grabe talaga. Iisip ko parang, parang dahil doon nagkaroon ako ng masamang connotation sa acid. Parang anything
Grabe.
acid. Parang,
Oo.
acid, masama yan.
Yeah.
Pero hindi naman pala.
Pati vitamin C.
Amino
It's part of
acid.
everything.
Oo.
Lahat. Amino acid.
Yeah, be discerning
Butyric
about
acid.
what you
Correct.
watch
What you
and
consume,
read.
yeah.
Exactly.
And read. Oh.
Yes. May
Listen
strong
to.
acid, weak acid, full
Okay.
dissociation. Oh, sorry, go.
Our winner.
Winner.
Okay.
Guess nyo.
Oh, shucks. Parang ang iba-iba. Mukhang flamethrower.
Flamethrower.
Ano ang least?
Least.
Balisong?
Balisong.
Ano ang
Hindi ko na alam.
third?
Let us know.
Okay, fine. It's the Bible that was last.
Oh!
Okay.
Close to the Bible was the muriatic acid.
Oh.
Okay.
Natalo siya by 1 point. Balisong came in second.
There we go.
Okay, to the flamethrower.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the kind of people we are, guys.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
Burn
Together.
stuff.
We burn.
Saya eh.
We have passion kasi.
So yun.
Fire. Yeah.
Oh, sige. Ako
Let's
na.
go,
Okay,
let's
sige,
go,
bye.
let's
Ako
Sige,
na.
bye.
Oh, let's milk this. Malls.
Within Metro Manila.
Anywhere.
Oh.
Within the Philippines.
Within the Philippines.
Ooh.
Four
things. Ayala Malls, Abriza.
One.
Festival Alabang.
2. Rockwell Power Plant.
3.
SM North EDSA.
4
things.
Four things.
Pero number 1 talaga sa puso ko ay market.
Yeah.
Ah.
Pero sige, ano yung to recap?
Okay, Ayala Malls Abriza.
Abriza, which is in
Davao City.
Festival Mall Alabang.
Okay.
Rockwell Power Plant.
In Makati. And SM North EDSA.
Yeah. Okay.
Shucks.
So, pag ganyan.
Oo, si Missy unang sasagot.
Okay, me first. Okay, I would have to say because
Yeah.
Rockwell Power Plant,
Mm.
Okay.
and then SM North EDSA,
Okay.
and then Ayala Abriza,
Okay.
and then Festival Mall.
All right. Okay.
Me, my turn.
Mm-hmm.
I go 1 Festival Mall,
Mm.
2 Abriza,
Okay.
3 Power Plant, 4 North.
Okay.
Ooh. Number 1 ko,
Market.
Market. So, start 2 to 5 na pala to para sa akin. 2 to 5.
Nating lahat.
Nating lahat. Number 5 ko, ang power plant.
Okay.
Number 2.
Shucks, pinapahirapan mo yung math. ko.
Sorry.
Nalilito ako.
Number 4 ko, power plant.
Okay.
Number 1 ko, SM North. Number 2 ko yung Abriza. Number 3 ko, Festival Mall.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Number 1, SM North EDSA. Number 2, Ayala Abriza. Number 3, Rockwell. Number 4, Festival Mall.
Okay.
Okay. So, pag ganun yung why, right?
Why? Okay. Number 1 ko ay SM North EDSA. I feel na malaki siya. Pero parang feeling ko ang dali niyang i-navigate. Kasi
Okay.
yung each building, meron siyang multiple buildings, pero pwede mo siyang i-end to end. Hindi siya masyadong yung marami mga liku-liko. Number 4 ay Festival Mall only because hindi ako napupunta sa South madalas. So, hindi ko siya masyadong kilala. Oddly, mas kilala ko si Ayala Abriza sa Davao kaysa sa Festival Mall. I feel like in the past years, mas nabisita ko si Abriza kaysa sa Festival Mall.
Okay. Sige, ako naman, number 1 ko, SM North, dahil ang laki niya. Yung tampo ko sa SM North lang ay bukod sa laging ang daming parang ang overwhelming niya.
Yeah.
Well, ibig sabihin nun, kompleto siya. Yung tampo ko sa kanya ay tinalo niya si Mall of Asia sa biggest mall. Tas
So, totoo yun.
inisip ko, kasi diba, essentially yung SM North, 3 building na siya. 4 pa nga.
Oo.
5 pa nga ata. With parang padagdag lang sila
Yung may
ng padagdag
hotel,
ng wing.
oo.
Diba? May hotel, may the block, mayroong main mall, may annex. Tas yung parking building pa. Yung sa akin, yung gripe ko dun ay, nagtayo kayo ng mall whose sole purpose is to be the biggest mall in Asia. Tapos, within the same company, tatalunin nyo siya
Yes.
ng SM North. Na parang, wala ba kayong group chat? At parang sinabi na, ang mission, vision, or ang purpose statement ng Mall of Asia
Asia
ay
ay-
maging biggest mall, pero hindi na. Ano na lang,
Yeah.
SM North na lang. Pero, parang as a taga-banda SM North, madalas ko siyang napupuntahan. Although, I would like to put it on the record na sobrang hate ko na nagpupunta sa kahit anong mall for shopping. Parang, ayoko siya. Parang just the thought of going to the mall. Parang, anyway, sorry, I digress. Last ko ang Rockwell dahil lang tuwing nagpupunta ako dun, I feel like I do not belong there and I am not welcomed with a hug.
Papu.
Tell
Or
us when you're
parang yung
there.
mga yung mga establishments doon ay generally hindi ko naman bibilhan anyway. Ang favorite ko sa Rockwell ay yung libreng lotion sa Aesop. Yung sa labas.
Oo nga.
Pupunta lang ako doon
Meron?
para kumuha.
Pag nandun kami, pag kunwari may ganap doon sa area na yon, magka-carpool kami, mga malalapit.
Same
Oo.
titas from the US with the picnic.
Hindi kami, si Papu, ako, si Chester, si Monica, Angelica. So, yung mga usual na magka-carpool. Ito, dadaan sa Aesop para mag-lotion.
Why
Kasi
not?
ang
Pagdating at bago umalis.
Beautiful.
Minsan pinapag-halo ko pa yung 3 libre para sa ano.
Hindi ko alam.
Wala lang.
I love it.
Ang bango yung bango. Pag-akit yan kasi ng parking
Aesop,
nandun.
Aesop.
Aesop, Bekenemen.
Baka naman,
naman.
no? Bango ng lotion nyo. Yung Abriza ay nasa taas dahil sila yung unang mall na naniwala sa atin na kaya natin. ng
Actually,
mall show.
yes.
So, thank you. In fact, nakadalawang mall show tayo doon. Pero hindi na kami nakabalik doon mula nung PNG incident. Pero let's see. Sana makabalik
Hindi, pero
tayo.
ako since nandun naman tayo at saka for sure merong mga magko-comment
Yeah.
na bisitahin niyo yung Davao,
Yes.
whatever.
Can't wait.
Pero sa totoo lang, I didn't feel that we were not welcome.
Mm.
And in fact, I felt that we were safe there.
Yes.
We Davao really made us feel welcome.
Yeah.
And sobrang really really genuine warmth. Yes.
So, sobrang, FOMO ko nang nag-Davao kayo nung wala ako. Wow.
Kahit nung pangalawa, wala ka?
I think I was there the second one.
Yeah, you were there. the second
Okay.
time.
But I went there for my birthday.
Oo, diba?
Kahit overnight lang yun. I was like, I have to go to Davao. Wow. Kasi nga, we love Davao.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that was one
yeah.
of the best crowds.
Actually,
Yes.
yes. I
We've
agree.
had.
Yes.
Kara, why is
Yeah.
this your choices?
Ako, I ranked it based from, ang tawag dito, memories. So, Festival Mall, as in, yun yung first cutting class namin. First,
Ang layo sa...
unang,
Ang layo na nun sa San
diba,
Pedro.
ano lang, mga 20 minutes. 20 minutes from, mga
okay.
30 minutes. First, jeep ride going to a mall. Festival Mall. So,
nice.
mga grade 6 kami noon, first year high school.
Yeah.
Sa jeep tayo, 4 na piso pa yung jeep noon. Tanda.
Apat
Let's
na
go!
piso.
So, ano yun?
Shucks, naabutan ko pa yung 75 cents.
1980.
1984.
Ewan.
Guys, naabutan ko yung 25 centavos!
Wow!
And then, dyan diba, si Pixie Forest, ganyan, festival.
Pixie Forest.
Forest.
I
Pagpunta,
remember.
my first roller coaster ride in the mall, fun house. Bumalik ako recently. Ako na yung tipo na, oh my God, ito na siya ngayon. Dati nandyan lang ako, high school. Nakikita ko na yung mga selves namin. Mga dyan kami kumakain sa food court. Ganyan. So, based from nostalgia and memory. Second ko si Abrisa because nga, love the shows.
Yeah.
Third ko si Power Plant because I like it there. Joke. Okay naman din siya. Fourth ko si North because nga, hindi ako masyado.
Oo. As a Saudi. Yeah.
Is that
Okay, I see. Well, Rockwell because it's convenient.
Because you're bougie.
Because I'm bougie that way. But you know what? Even when I was living in Katipunan,
Yeah.
parang there's something about Rockwell. I don't know. That hindi dahil dinadayo ko siya, pero doon ako dinadala ng best friend ko para mag-aral kami dahil wala
Okay.
akong katao-tao.
Yes.
Oo,
Gets ko yan.
and time na yun. oo.
Diba? And apparently, when I was a kid, parang yung stepmom ko would take us to the country club there in Metropolitan. So parang, tas yung first date namin, parang nakinangas.
Yung alin?
Basta, it's so serendipitous that it was always Rockwell.
Yeah.
So there's something about that place that I'm parang tethered to. But SM North EDSA is a close second, if not even the first. Kasi 7 years old, nag-commute ako mag-isa papunta dun.
What?
High school, hindi ako kakain. Gagamitin ko yung aking limited baon to cross from where we live to SM North EDSA to buy my Ranma comics. Doon ko imbis kumain, bumili ako ng comics. Sa SM North EDSA. And then just it blew up.
Yeah.
And then that's when I was like, oh, I can't do this no more. And then, Ayala, because Ayala malls are always so calm. Parang, gets mo na eh. Diba? Parang ang organized niya And which is why Festival Mall is my last. Because it feels very festive. very
Valid.
very festive in its layout and I feel like I get lost. So as a chaotic person, I need structure. I think that's why it is what it is. So baka gagawin kong third si North EDSA. Hindi, you know what? I said it already,
Yeah.
so I won't change it.
Okay.
It is on the record.
In which case,
Okay.
do you want to know?
Yes, the
Sure.
ranking.
The rankings are last place first or first place first?
Last place first.
Guess.
Festival.
Festival.
Oh,
Festival nga.
Okay.
Festival Mall. Kaya, Festival Mall, baka dalhin nyo na kami dyan.
Yeah. Luwag-luwag
Para
doon.
makilala ka
namin siya.
namin.
Oo.
Memories. Yeah.
And then, para madagdagan yung memories,
Memories
ni
si
Kara.
Cara.
Tsaka para ma-love ko na yung festivities!
Magkaroon kayo ng,
Okay, the first one is,
Hindi, number 3.
number 3
Number 3.
is Rockwell,
Rockwell. Okay.
which makes Ayala Abriza. Number
Number
2, SM North EDSA for the win.
What?
Tsaka doon din yung first big show
Oh, yes.
natin.
Oo nga
Ay,
naman.
naman.
Sa Sky
Oo
Dome.
nga naman.
So tama
nung
lang
August.
ang
Tama.
first. Kailan tayo babalik doon?
Oo nga.
agad.
Bukas.
Bukas na
Wow.
bukas.
For a show. There you go.
Okay, we have time for one more. Ang gagawin natin ay, gagawin natin yung topic one word at a time.
Ha?
One
Hindi
word
natin
at-
alam yung topic. Pero yung one word at a time
Ika-categorize
natin.
natin.
Oo, yung category ay
Okay.
ibibigay one word at a time. Tapos sasagutin natin.
Sige, sige.
Ayaw mo mag four things. Na
Reverse.
pabaliktad.
Reverse 4 things.
Things
Ay,
for-
akala ko nga yun eh. Ay, hindi ba?
Pero hindi, you know what? Let's do what
Sige,
Papu
sige.
says.
Okay,
sige,
okay.
sige,
One word
sige.
at a
Hindi ko
time.
Sorry,
naintindihan.
Papu. Did not
all
mean to-
good, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, so let's, sige. Mga
Bagay.
Nakukuha
sa
Bag.
Nang
kapitbahay
or
Kaibigan.
sa
kabilang
bahay. AKA kapitbahay.
four
things.
Four things, four things, four things, four things.
Ano yun? Eliminant oil.
One. Barbie doll.
Two.
susi.
Three. Pera.
Four
things.
Four things, four things, four things, four things.
So, i-rank natin yon based on
Ano ulit sila?
liniment,
Liniment.
Oil, Barbie.
susi,
Susi.
pera.
Pera.
Parang
Okay.
alam ko naman na natin.
Importante? Anong, ano?
Bahala ka.
Bakla ka.
Bahala ka sa
Preference.
sige.
Okay.
Sino first? O, Papu na.
Oh, sige, mauna ako. Siyempre, number 1 ko dun, pera. Number 2 ko, susi. Liniment. Tapos, last ko yung Barbie.
Okay.
Sexist ko.
Hindi, ano,
Mamaya bakit? Okay,
Ako,
Cara.
yung oil, pera, Barbie, susi.
Number 1, mamaya ako i-explain. Number 1, Barbie.
Oh my gosh.
Number 2, pera. 3, liniment. 4, susi.
Shucks, I don't know. I think I'd go for the Barbie. And then I'd go for,
Yun ang number 1 mo?
yun yung number 1 ko. Although I should say pera, but I think that will be my 4th. Oh. Which means number 2 yung susi. And then number 3 yung oil. Okay.
Okay.
Game. Explain why, guys.
Okay.
number 1 ko yung pera dahil pera yun at kung kukunin, pera na lang. Last ko yung Barbie dahil di ko alam what I'll do with it. Yun lang naman.
Yeah.
Hindi dahil ayoko siya. If makahanap ako ng reason na maging useful sa akin yung Barbie, okay din naman. Okay.
Tama. Ako nilang ko base sa hihiramin ko. So, oil. Kung wala akong, Gcash na lang kita. So, second ko si pera. 3 si Barbie. Dahil lang, 4 ko susi. Dahil di ko naman hihiramin yung susi nila sa bahay. Or something.
Okay.
Kasi pag pumasok ka sa bahay ng kapitbahay mo,
Pipupush.
ikaw na ba yung kapitbahay? Or
Diba? Sino
pinush
na?
mo yung door
Pinush ko
o
yung door.
pinul niya yung door for
Hindi
you
tayo
para
eh.
makapasok?
Oo nga.
Correct. Yan.
Are you invited or are you inviting?
Oo.
Yun ang ano.
Okay, Missy.
Ako na ba? Ako na lang ba?
Yay.
Ay,
Number,
Bibili
ako.
Sige.
Number 1 ko yung Barbie.
Tell that.
Kasi, naisip ko yung anak ko, meron siyang shoulder bag. Yung laman nun, walang importante. Sa akin. Pero, meron siyang, minsan may Barbie siya doon. Meron siyang 2 pairs of sunglasses. Bakit? Ewan. May Tamagotchi.
You know what? So important.
Oo. Pero walang pera, walang susi, walang liniment. Pero, yun, natutuwa
May
lang
laruan.
ako. Oo. So, parang siguro yung choice ko bilang sa kung nasan yung utak ko ngayon. Yun. Ano yung last ko?
Priorities mo talaga anak mo. Your last B-buy is pera.
Akalain mo yun?
Ay, sorry,
Last
I
ko-
lied. Susi.
Susi.
Say,
Number 2 mo yung pera.
Yung susi. Kasi yung susi, lagi namang may tao sa bahay. Oo.
Ako naman, I was imagining if I was locked outside as a
Yeah.
child. Barbie yung top priority kasi at least I can play by myself.
Nakakatawa na. Yung binili mo Barbie, hindi susi. Oo. Asama
By
mo sa
locked out.
locked out.
Kasi
I
susi yun ng
assume-
kapitbahay.
Susi na kapitbahay.
Correct.
Diba?
correct. Oo
Pag
naman.
bored na ako maglaro,
Oo.
pupunta ako dun sa kapitbahay.
Okay.
Diba? Now, yung liniment oil, makakatulong sa senses ko yun eh.
Oo.
Oo. Or wala lang, paglalaroan ko. Yung pera naman, I have a very difficult time. A relationship with money, parang strange kami. Parang I can't imagine taking money from someone else's
Yeah.
bag.
Yes.
Yeah. Not to say that you're evil people.
Yeah.
Ako lang to myself. But I can't. So, guess what, guys?
Gusto ko yung nag-ground mo yung situation into a dire and desperate situation. Then na ma-lockout ka.
May
Parang
very particular
Very
yung
specific.
situation.
As a child. Okay, are you ready?
Okay,
Yeah.
number 4 muna.
Number 4 is susi.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 3, liniment oil.
Yay.
Okay, guess. Is it Barbie or pera?
Oh my God.
Feeling ko Barbie.
Barbie.
Ikaw.
Barbie.
Ikaw.
Pera.
Okay, it's a tie.
Oh.
Oh! Between pera and Barbie.
Okay.
Who would
This
have
is who we
thought
are.
it?
Would have thought.
This is who we are.
Okay.
This is why we are improvisers. This is why we are spit because we like games and making money from the games.
Yes.
Oh.
So,
Hindi naman, making a sustainable
Mattel,
life.
baka naman.
Baka naman.
A living, you know.
Wouldn't it be amazing if making a living, being sustainable
exactly.
with play?
Yeah.
And it's possible.
Yes.
Correct.
It's possible. So Mattel, maybe you can make action figures of us. Wow! We dream ko yun. Alam niyo ba sa Japan, nakita ko sa TikTok, so it must be true. Parang they make action figures. Like they scan you. You know those photos?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
But they turn it into an action figure.
Nice.
Yeah. Let's go to Japan.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
For
Spend
1
the night
week.
with this merch.
With 1,000 pesos
1,000.
pocket money. Hi.
So there.
Yes. Just like that, time flew. Grabe. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumali dito sa episode na to. Salit pa kayo further. Sa comment section, mag-type kayo ng mga topics na gusto
Yes.
nyong sagutin ng kapwa nating commenters. And then, tingnan lang natin for fun purposes. Tingnan natin ano yung sagot ng mga tao. 4 things. So, hingi kayo 4 things as topic. Unfortunately, magpapahinga muna kami dahil this is the end of the season. It has been a wonderful 3 seasons of Tawalets. But we'll be back
Yes.
with a bigger, better, brighter, more beautiful Tawalets with Spit. But for now, this has been Papu.
Cara.
Missy.
Bye-bye.
Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.
Kita-kits.
Tawalets.
Tawa, 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 let's.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.